Deleting an Ibotta account removes access to the account, rewards history, and any saved information connected to that account. By the end, you'll know the steps to request Ibotta account deletion and what to check before removing your account. Before deleting your account, review your available cashback balance. If you have rewards available, check whether you can withdraw or use them before submitting a deletion request. Once an account is deleted, you may not be able to access your previous account information. Start by opening the Ibotta app and signing into the account you want to remove. Make sure you are using the correct account before starting the process. Using the wrong email or account can result in deleting a different profile than the one you intended. Next, look for account or profile settings inside the Ibotta app. Check for account management options that allow you to control your account information. If there is no direct delete option available, use the Ibotta support section to request account removal. When contacting support, provide the email address connected to your Ibotta account and clearly explain that you want the account deleted. Support may need to verify that you own the account before completing the request. Before submitting the request, remove any saved payment details if the option is available in your account settings. Review connected accounts and personal information so you understand what information is linked to your profile. After requesting deletion, check your email for any messages from Ibotta. Support communications may include confirmation steps or additional instructions. Avoid creating multiple accounts after deletion, unless Ibotta allows it. Multiple accounts can create problems with account access and reward tracking. If you only want to stop notifications or take a break from using Ibotta, changing app settings may be a better option than deleting the account. The main steps are simple. Check your rewards balance. Open account settings, request deletion through available options, and complete any verification steps. Open Ibotta now and review your account before submitting a deletion request. Subscribe for more Ibotta guides, cashback app fixes, and reward app tutorials, and like the video if this helped you understand the account deletion process.